everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to clean copper fittings. Now it's very important that you clean thoroughly every fitting, because if you don't, the copper will not take in the solder. For this job, you need a copper cleaning brush, cloth. Here we have a 1/2 inch coupling and a 1/2 inch copper cleaning brush. What you'll do is take it, put it inside of the copper pipe, and spin it around several times. What you're trying to do is rough up that copper and get it to shine really well. Even if it's a brand new pipe, you still have to do this because it creates the bristle grain in there, which holds that copper and creates a really nice seal. On the top of the copper fitting, I take a little piece of emery cloth and scrape up the top. You'll have a bead of solder that sits across the top of this. You want to make sure that that has a nice connection to your copper fitting. Now on the copper pipe itself, you simply just use a piece of emery cloth, fold it around the pipe, and spin it around. You can see that it has made some marks across the pipe. That is to hold the solder. Then you're ready to go ahead, flux your pipe and your fitting, and solder your joint. It's very important that you clean every single fitting inside and the pipe itself on the outside, so that way you have a nice rough edge for that solder to stick to. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.